What if I told you that one simple mistake is making your English sound like a textbook instead of natural English?
Many English learners know thousands of words, but they still struggle to sound like native speakers
Why?
because they don't know how to express their opinions naturally.
Imagine joining a conversation and saying exactly what native speakers say. I totally agree. From my perspective, or that's an interesting point. In the next few minutes, you'll learn powerful phrases that can instantly make your English sound more confident, natural, and fluent.
Stay with me until the end, because you'll also learn real-life examples that native speakers use every day.
Ready to sound more like a native speaker?
Let's get started.
Welcome to Doc Pro English Learning Channel.
Rocket hello everyone.
Welcome back to Doc Pro English Learning Channel.
Today, we are going to learn how to express your opinion like a native English speaker.
Many English learners use only basic phrases like I think or I like. While these expressions are correct, native speakers often use a variety of phrases to make conversations sound more natural and engaging.
Let's begin with a common topic, working from home.
Many people now work from home, and opinions about it are very different.
Some people love it, while others prefer working in an office.
Personally, I think working from home is a great idea.
It saves time because people don't need to travel to work every day.
In my opinion, one of the biggest advantages is flexibility.
People can organize their schedules more efficiently and spend more time with their families.
However, not everyone agrees.
Some people believe that working in an office is better for teamwork.
From their perspective, communication is easier when colleagues are in the same place.
That's a good point.
Face-to-face interaction can help build stronger relationships and improve collaboration.
On the other hand, technology has made communication much easier than before.
Video calls, messaging apps, and online meetings allow people to stay connected no matter where they are.
This example shows something important.
There is no single correct opinion.
What matters is expressing your thoughts clearly and politely. 1.
Personally, I think.
Use this phrase when you want to share your personal opinion.
Example. Personally, I think learning English every day is important.
Personally, I think listening to English podcasts is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency.
2.
In my opinion.
This is one of the most common and natural ways to express an opinion.
Example. In my opinion, reading books is one of the best ways to improve vocabulary.
In my opinion, consistency is more important than talent when learning a language.
3.
I believe.
This phrase sounds confident and is very common in everyday conversations.
Example. I believe practice is the key to success.
I believe everyone can improve their English with enough dedication and effort.
4.
From my perspective.
This expression sounds more advanced and professional.
Example. From my perspective, online learning is very convenient.
From my perspective, learning English opens many career opportunities.
5.
I feel that.
This phrase is useful when talking about personal feelings or experiences.
Example. I feel that watching English videos helps improve listening skills.
I feel that speaking practice is the most important part of language learning.
Now let's move on to another common topic, social media.
Social media has become a big part of our daily lives.
Some people love it, while others think it creates problems.
Honestly, I believe social media has both advantages and disadvantages.
In my opinion, it helps people stay connected with friends and family around the world.
At the same time, some people spend too much time scrolling through their phones instead of focusing on important tasks.
That's a valid concern.
However, I would say that the impact of social media depends on how people use it.
If used wisely, it can be a powerful tool for learning, communication, and business.
If used carelessly, it can become a distraction.
Notice how different opinions can be shared respectfully.
Native speakers often discuss ideas without arguing or becoming angry.
To sound more natural, you should also learn how to agree and disagree politely.
Let's start with agreeing.
Here are some useful phrases. I agree. That's a good point. I completely agree. You're absolutely right. I couldn't agree more. Exactly. That's true. Now let's look at polite ways to disagree.
I see your point, but I understand what you're saying, however. I respect your opinion, but thank you for learning with Doc Pro English Learning Channel. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy learning.